If you have been following me over the past 9 months, then you know that I moved my website, my blog, my entire business from WordPress to Showit. And I now believe that every blogger, content creator, coach, entrepreneur, small business owner should be building their website and blog on this platform. So Showit is a website builder that gives you the power to create a website that truly represents your brand and showcases your unique vision. You have the freedom to design your website exactly how you want with zero design limitations and no tech stress. But when it comes to choosing a Showit plan, it can feel a little overwhelming. With 3 different pricing plan options to choose from, how do you know which one is right for you? Today, I am taking you through each of the 3 different Showit pricing plans and what they have to offer so that you can make an informed decision. Hi, I'm Maureen from thecreativeimpact.com, where I help creative small business owners and entrepreneurs with strategic Showit website design, templates, and business coaching so that they can stand out, sell more, and stress way less about the tech and design in their business. If this sounds like information that you are interested in, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the links in the show notes below to learn how I can best help you create an impact with your business. All right, let's dive into the Showit pricing plans. First up, we have the Showit Tier 1 plan. This plan is perfect for those just starting out and looking to create a strategic professional website. This plan includes access to the Showit website building platform, all the easy to use design tools, and hosting for your website with 20 gigabytes of media storage. So everyone's website needs to be hosted, and hosting is a service that allows you to publish your website files onto the internet. So Showit takes care of all that for you. And with this plan, you also get a secure certificate, also known as an SSL certificate, which if you're not familiar with this, it's like having that HTTPS in front of your URL instead of the HTTP, which basically just means that your website is safe and secure for your users. So if you've ever typed in a web address and gotten a message like this, that site did not have an SSL certificate installed. Now, not all website hosts offer this for free, nor do they install it for free for you, but Showit includes this and does this for you. And lastly, you also get regular design backups every 10 minutes, which are stored for 7 days. So no need to worry about accidentally deleting something or losing it forever. Been there, done that when I was designing in WordPress, complete nightmare. Showit has got your back with this. You don't have to worry about losing something precious that you're working on with your site. The Showit Tier 1 plan is $19 a month when billed annually for a total of $228 a year. Or if you choose to pay month to month, it will be $24 per month. Now, the one thing that the Tier 1 plan does not include is a blog. If you want to blog with your website, you will need to be on one of the other 2 Showit plans. So let's move on to the Tier 2 plan, which is Showit plus Basic Starter Blog Plan. This plan is the most popular Showit plan, and it's perfect for someone just starting a blog or looking to create a new blog with their website. This subscription plan includes everything that is included in the Tier 1 plan. You get access to the Showit website builder, there's easy to use design tools, the SSL certificate, the backup every 10 minutes of your design, and also hosting for both your website and your blog. So this means you do not need a separate hosting company for your blog like Bluehost or SiteGround or anything like that. Your hosted blog is a managed blog, which means that Showit will assist you with troubleshooting issues. And with this plan, you can have up to 10,000 blog visitors per month, plus you get daily blog backup stored for 30 days. And you also get support for your Showit blog design, and you get some pre-installed plugins, including Yoast SEO. To see a full list of all the pre-installed plugins that you get with this plan, you can check out the link in the show notes below. Now, this option will enable you to have the basic tools you need to successfully blog. If you want to learn more about how blogging exactly works on Showit, you can check out the video above or the link in the show notes below. The Showit plus Basic Blog Tier 2 plan is $24 per month when billed annually for a total of $288 a year. Or if you choose to pay month to month, it will be $29 per month for this Tier 2 plan. Now, if you already have an existing blog that you want to move over to Showit, or if you're looking for more advanced features and more control over your website, the Showit plus Advanced Blog Tier 3 plan is the one for you. So with this plan, you get all the features of the tier 1 and 2 plan with some additional perks. This is the plan that I have. I had built my website and blog on WordPress. I designed in WordPress and taught others how to use WordPress for years. And then I discovered Showit, and I was like, this is where me and my clients, my students need to be. No more tech overwhelm and no more frustration. So how do I move everything over there? So I looked into the plans, and if you currently have a WordPress.org or WordPress.com or a Squarespace blog that you want to migrate posts from, this is the plan for you. Right now, these are the only 3 places that Showit can migrate your blog from as of now, and they do it for you if you're on this advanced blog tier 3 plan. So you don't have to deal with the tech craziness that would be involved with that. The tier 3 plan is also perfect for you if you need to embed custom code in your posts, or if you want to use your own choice of WordPress plugins, including e-commerce plugins. The Showit tier 3 plan also allows up to 25,000 blog visits per month. Now, if you have more than 25,000 visitors to your blog each month, first, let me say that's amazing, you rock, but you will want to check out the high traffic blog pricing plans on the same page located right below the other 3 plans. And I have a link to all of these in the show notes below. Now, the Showit Plus Advanced Blog Tier 3 plan is $34 per month when billed annually for a total of $408 a year, or $39 per month if you choose to pay month to month. All right, now you have a better idea of all 3 pricing plans. So which Showit pricing plan is right for you? Well, this really depends on your specific needs and your goals, whether you're just starting out, whether you're looking to grow your website, or you're looking to take your business to the next level. Showit has a plan that's really great for you. You can get started with a free 14-day trial. I've included a free trial link in the show notes below. Check it out, see what you think. I'm willing to bet that you will find it so much more intuitive and less frustrating than designing in something like WordPress. Plus, if you use my free trial link in the show notes below, you will get an extra 30 days free before your first payment is due. That's 45 days free to check out this platform. Make sure to also sign up for my free Showit Website Without Stress workshop to help you along the way. You can sign up for this by going to websiteworkshopwisdom.com. I'll put it right here and also in the show notes below. That's it for today, guys. Keep creating an impact on the world, and I'll see you in the next video.